Hello guys, welcome back to Milnaka channel. Today I will show you how to make a Thai dessert with only 4 ingredients. 3 little pumpkins, a set of eggs. Here in Thailand, we've got 30 eggs in a set. This is jaggery. We're gonna use 6 pieces of them. And this is coconut cream. We use 1000 milliliters. First, we clean all the pumpkins. Pot scrubber does help us clean it better. Second, cracking all the eggs. Stir it up. Crumbling pandan leaves in the eggs to add some scent into it. This process is optional. We have to smash the jaggery because it's not going to melt in the egg. I think it's good now, so we're gonna add it to our eggs. Now we're gonna add coconut cream into our eggs. Okay. In this video, I have 2 assistants, Pa San and Pa Noi. Alright, we cut pumpkin in the middle of it and open it. We're gonna use the spoon to scoop all the seeds inside the pumpkins out. Peel the pumpkins. Cut the pumpkins into small pieces. Then put the pumpkin on the cups that we prepare. Now we are going to pour our custard inside this pumpkin. We're gonna steam them together. Make sure you leave some space in the pumpkins so the custard can come up while it's being steamed. We should remove bubbles on the surface because we want the smooth surface on our dessert. Then close with the cover. Adding some custard to another tray is the same process. We just use a different container. After we cover them, for the little ones, we're gonna cook it for 20 minutes. For the pumpkin one, we're gonna cook it for 1.5 hours. We'll take the cups out of the pot first. Then we have to cook the pumpkins longer, but we have to open the cover every 10 minutes. Otherwise, the custard will explode like this. Let's try our pumpkin custard. Yum! What's common is that we usually eat it when it's cold, so we're gonna put it in the fridge. I love the creamy flavor of the custard, and our pumpkins is rich flavor. I think the amounts of the sugar that we add in this custard is perfect because it's not too sweet. Alright, if you like this video, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video to your friends. I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye.